Hello friends. Today we're going to pull out this drill polisher kit again. Only this time I want to try it in a different place and try something completely new to me.
Uh, yeah.
Yeah. So let me show you what I'm going to do. The reason that I don't like driving this pickup, and I will from time to time, like run it to the grocery store, no matter how far out in the parking lot I park. Some jerk is going to park next to me, and the fool don't know how to drive, so he hits my pickup. I have these little pieces of damage all over the place, but this one bugs me the most. I can let this hide, but not when it's got all those scratches and scuffs on it. Okay, so I want to try this drill polisher kit and see how this does. So the first thing that I did was clean the surface. I just used a little bit of rinseless wash on it. Just want to get it clean. I don't want to do this with a pad and there being a lot of dirt on there. So I just put some rinseless wash on there and got it cleaned up. Now, the first product I'm going to use is Griot's Complete Compound. So we'll see how well this does. And I'm going to use the drill kit, and I am going to use a little more of a tougher pad. I read up on it, and I'm going to use a tougher pad. It will not require as much work from the drill, so we'll see how well it does. But this is my pickup, so if I do any damage, it's on me. That looks good. Those marks came right out. You can still see them faintly over here, but they're all out for the most part. There's a few like right here, but I'm going to use the polish now. So let's see if that will finish it off. But it's looking good. This drill kit could make a big difference on little tiny repairs and scuffs. It's warm, but not that warm. You know, I mean, the vehicle is not very cool anyway, but it's, I mean, you can feel a little bit of warmth. I did it. I survived doing a little bit of body work with an actual polishing pad. And I used a drill. I was really worried about coming to do this. But it looks really good. I can live with that ridiculous dent being there. Maybe I can find somebody to handle that. But all those white scuffs are gone for now. And that is all that matters. And I did no damage. Sorry, the neighbors are working on their house. So, there you have it. I love it. I am happy that it turned out the way that it did. I was worried about it, but at the same time, I have to at least try. And when I say I have to at least try, what I'm saying is at some point I have to get over my fear. If I do not get over my fear, I'm never going to get going. You know what I mean? I'm stuck in interiors. Now, interiors are great, but it doesn't always work. So, this looks good. I'm very pleased with it. Thanks for hanging out on my channel, guys. I sure appreciate you being here for a minute. And until tomorrow, we'll see you later.